That's your tail. Do you know anything about tail? That's part of your body. What are you doing? That's part of your body. Hey, that is your tail. What's wrong with you? Do you know anything about tail? He thought that's not his thing, huh? But he wants to stop it. Now he learns to how to calm it down. You don't want your tail to move?